wonderful day. Thank you again for being here. I do appreciate it. And if you are new, please go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. And as always, please make sure to give the video a big thumbs up and leave a comment if you do enjoy it. I love hearing from you guys. So before I actually get into the video today, I do want to say I'm playing around with some lighting. So let me know what you guys think in the comments about that, if it's working, if I need to make some adjustments. And also, I do not have that much makeup on. I just have some eyeliner and a little bit of lip gloss because if you watched my live stream on Monday, you would have heard that I was discussing the fact that this coming Monday, the 28th, I was going to be having injections in my back for some degenerative disc disease and the RA. There's some arthritis in my spine. Well, they called yesterday and they had a cancellation and they wanted to have me come on in, and I was like, okay, let's get this over with. Never had one before, so my nerves were a little, there. And so I went ahead and went, and the thing is, they weren't able to do the injection. I went back and the doctor injected the lidocaine, which did burn and sting a bit. Wasn't too terribly uncomfortable, but then even after the numbing, I could still feel him like poking and prodding, and he did it 2 times on the left side, 2 times on the right side, just to finally tell me that because of the arthritis, the space where he needed to get the needle to put the steroid injection was so small that he did not feel he could see it clear enough on just the x-ray that they had. And he just did not feel safe moving forward. He was like, I could hit a nerve, or, So come to find out, I'm going to have to go and kind of have it done in a CT machine because they'll be able to get a better image and get it right where they need to. However, he did say, well, since I've already pretty much numbed up your entire lower back, let me go ahead and just give you the steroid injection in the muscle. So I said, okay. And it kind of, again, was a little uncomfortable, nothing too terribly bad. However, because it was a steroid injection, I just didn't think about it, but he then proceeds to tell me afterwards, have you ever taken prednisone? And I said, yeah. I said, my rheumatologist, put me on that when I was diagnosed with the rheumatoid arthritis. I said, and I couldn't take it. It made my face like beet red. I was so hot. I was irritable. And he said, well, you're probably going to be that way for the next few days. I was thinking, joy. So if it looks like I have a sunburn on my chest and my face, or if I start sweating, that is why. Because I have been so hot all day long. It feels like my eyeballs are sweating. And it is just, yeah. So I was so hot and I wasn't putting anything else on my face. So I was like, you know what, been makeup free all day, but I wanted to look halfway presentable for the video, so I slapped on some eyeliner and some lip gloss. Clearly I don't need blush, so I was like, it'll just have to do. But that's enough of that. As you can see from the description, we have our January 2019, still catch myself doing that, January 2019 EarFleek. I really like this subscription. It is super cheap and affordable. It is $3.49 a month, and they send you a cute pair of earrings every month. And I will put a link down below that will actually, if you have not signed up, you could get 50% off and get your first month in your first pair of earrings for only $1.75. They are nickel-free, so they do not irritate your ears. They have a couple different selections that you can choose from. You can choose, it's like cute and simple, which would be like little studs and maybe some teeny tiny dangles. Simple and fun, or silly and fun, and those I've seen have been, pineapples and bows and pizza slices and things like that. And then they have the boho babe, which generally is like tassels or just more dangly longer earrings, which is the subscription that I go with. So we're going to get in here and see what they sent for January. And it does always come with a cute little card here, and it says, "Did you know? Swipe through our inventory and get what you love. Log into EarFleek and click the link at the bottom." That I did know they were doing. You can now go in and you can kind of just like swipe left, swipe swipe right for earrings that you like and that you don't like. So they kind of a little bit more, aside from the selection that you choose, will tell you the type, you know, you could select what you like and what you don't. So, yeah, but there's always a cute card. And they always come bubble wrapped. And then inside the bubble wrap, if I can get in there, is a Ziploc, I cannot talk, y'all, a Ziploc bag that your earrings are also in. Now these are very cute. I can see them. They do generally always come connected with this little like plastic tube. These are very, very cute. However, these are not really my style. And these to me don't really say boho babe either. Because I mean, I've gotten like the tassel earrings and then some longer ones with like a wooden bead and some big hoops. And so this definitely is not really thinking in the realm of boho babe. I will show you here. It's like a semi-sparkly little bow with the dangle heart, and it is like a rose gold color. They are really, really cute. I just know that I will not wear these, so I'm not even going to take them off of the plastic. Put them back in the bag. These will go into a giveaway for one of you guys. So that was the EarFleek for January 2019. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Excuse my little rant at the beginning, but that will also explain, because I've got 6 other videos to do, why if I'm beet red in all of them, it's not because I've been at the beach. So again, I hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment down below, and please, like I said, do not forget, if you liked the video, to give me a big thumbs up, and I will talk with you guys at the next one. Bye!